Thanks for joining us for our Sleepy Teenies. Very, very popular these days. A great way to wind down before sleep. You can find these full recipes and many others on Sleep Science Today, along with tons of information that will help you sleep better. So, we are using dragon fruit. Look at that. It's beautiful inside. We're using all sorts of fresh fruits here, and we're using some chamomile tea. So this particular recipe is called the Dragon's Flame. Why the Dragon's Flame? Well, you're about to find out. So we're going to start off with some dragon fruit, obviously. Take a slice of that. Now, dragon fruit, if you smell it, there's really no flavor, no scent to it at all. And the flavor is also very, very light. But it's beautiful, and the dragon fruit itself actually helps to improve your sleep. So we're going to put some dragon fruit into the muddling glass. Look at that. That's just beautiful in and of itself. You know, if I could just drink that, I would do that. But this is Dragon's Flame. Why is it Dragon's Flame? Because we're going to take just enough tart cherry juice, and we're going to add that into the dragon fruit. Now, these two ingredients together, along with our third ingredient, which is chamomile tea, all have properties that lead to good sleep. So, we take these and we muddle. Now, like I said, the dragon fruit, it really, you wouldn't be able to pick it out in a lineup in terms of flavor. Now, the way it looks is very distinctive and very nice, but if someone blindfolded you and had you smell it and had you taste it, you wouldn't be able to really pick it out. It doesn't have anything that really stands out like so many other fruits and vegetables do. But here, we're adding that to the tart cherry juice. Try that. See if you can say that, because apparently I can't. But we put it together. We add that chamomile tea. We take our martini mixer, put some ice in, and then we get our strainer, because we don't want to get all that pulp in there. And we go ahead and we get the juice into the martini shaker. Now, pretty much all you see here is the dragon fruit, because that's where all the pulp came from, right? The only other things we put in here were liquids. So we want to make sure that we get all of that muddled liquid into our shaker. And what does one do when you have a martini shaker that's full? You shake. So, I'd love to hear in the comments, when you shake martinis, do you shake this way? Or do you shake upside down, up and down like that? I'm kind of hesitant to turn it upside down. I don't want anything to spill out, but who knows? What do you say is the right way? Because I get lots of different opinions on that. I don't know if there is a right way. Anyways, tell us about that. But more importantly, try the actual recipe. Perfect. Now, almost no scent at all. Refreshing. That tart cherry juice gives you the flavor in this one. There's really no other flavors that are coming through strong. Again, dragon fruit doesn't have a strong flavor, much of a flavor at all, but it does help with sleep. So, okay, Dragon's Flame. It's labeled Dragon's Flame because of the color, of course. So, enjoy this recipe. Give us in the comments below, what do you think about it? Is it good? Is it bad? Does it need something else? Did you try it? Did it help you sleep? And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share with your friends. How are they going to know the secret to sleeping better if you keep it hidden from them? Let's put it out there. Let's get everybody aware of this and give them the opportunity to sleep better. Because when you come to Sleep Science today, you sleep better tonight.